How to restore or recover Viber messages on Android mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll be walking you through how to restore or recover Viber messages on Android mobile. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, tap to launch Viber application and make sure that you logged into your account. Tap more icon at bottom right corner of your screen and now navigate to settings option. On the settings section, tap on account and now choose Fiverr backup. Here you simply need to select auto backup and you can easily choose the range. You can backup using Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you wish to include photos, videos, check mark the option and then choose your email account or simply Google account where you want to backup. Then tap on Restore button at bottom left corner of your screen and confirm your restorations. After that, the process will start and wait for the process to complete. Once done, your messages will be restored to your device. You need to make sure you are using the same Google account where the backup was saved. If you haven't enabled backups yet, consider doing so now to prevent data loss in the future. And that's how you can restore your Viber messages on Android. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with others. I'll see you soon with more tech tips. Thanks for watching.